Hi everyone. In this recording, I would like to show you an overview of the week. Well, in order to have an overview of the week, you can always, syllabus is always a good place to start. When you look to the syllabus, you will see that in this week, there are three different activities you are assigned to. For each of three activities, you have basically 3 weeks. The first activity is, the chapter 1 of the course. You are expected to read that chapter, work on it, and after that you are expected to write a quiz on that chapter. Secondly, you have introduction and you have feedback. Introduction is where you are expected to introduce yourself, and feedback is basically this feedback is on what you find as the most interesting subject, issue related to international economics. You can reach to the quiz clicking this to chapter 1 at the bottom of the course summary. You can reach to the discussion threads using these two links, basically you are expected to work for the chapter 1 through using your book, but you can reach to the basic documents, additional resources that might help you understand chapter 1 using the discussion thread related to the chapter 1, which my computer should open in a minute. Basically you have one audio file and one PowerPoint slide, which is slides PowerPoint show, which is available made available for you. So these are the introductions. I should go back if my computer allows me to do so. I will just come to the discussion thread, and under the discussion thread, basically after you read the book and look to the other resources, you can basically ask any question you have, and I will answer those questions, and if necessary I will also provide you with additional video files where I explain the points which confuses many students at the same time. So if the discussion thread opens, I'll show you. Okay, if I click to this, I should get into the discussion thread related to the introduction to international economics, and let's see that. Okay, let's see that. Okay, yes. And through this link you can get to the PowerPoint file. Through this link you can go to the audio file, and you can use this button to let's say reply to ask any questions you might have. this is the PowerPoint of this week, overview of this week. Maybe I should show you one last thing. Let me show you how you will do the quizzes. Well, for this week, only one quiz is available, which you can reach by pressing this button, and then just let's wait until this thing opens, and then you should press the button basically, which will, yes, this button, take the quiz. Once you push to this button, you will have 60 minutes for which you should answer 15 questions. Let me do that. I am basically taking this quiz as the prototype students I have created to see, to understand how students, what students see on the web page of the course. So once the quiz page opens, let's wait the quiz page. I am sorry, my computer is not that fast. Let's wait. Let's wait the quiz page. Yes. Well, these are the questions. You can get to any question you want. Well, you just push the button and you are basically marking the answer which you think the right answer. And you can also get to the questions by just scrolling down. And once you submit the quiz, well, in this case, I have 14 unanswered questions. You will be able to, I believe, see your grades. Again, my computer works a little slowly. Yes, attempt 1, and you see, well, I got 0 out of 15. And I'm now able to see my grade, looking to the grades file. Well, as you see, my first grade on the chapter is 0. I will put a more detailed recording on grades file. I'm still exploring it, but this can be a first introduction for you to the grades, well, page, let me say, not file, grades page. Maybe if this grades page doesn't work, I might create a separate file on grades. But anyway, this is the overview of the week 1.